Hi, today we're reviewing these long black women's gloves. Bought these for a Halloween costume. I was the bride of Frankenstein, but I was dressed up in a cocktail dress. So I wanted something a little bit nice for my costume, because I didn't want to do nails. So here are the gloves on me. Now I have a little bit larger arms than the average lady, yet they still stretched out over my arms like this. And they're a nice, shiny, smooth fabric. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little bit sheen and a little bit smooth. I think that this would accommodate if you had long nails also, because if it could be pulled out a little farther. But I really enjoyed these. They worked well with my costume, and I think they're really durable. They've been through the washer and the dryer, and they look great. So I really do recommend these if you are in need of some long gloves for any occasion.